This is by far the only model that you need to make solid profits in the market every single day. So guys, stay with me in this video and I'm going to show you the model I use every single day, okay, to pass prop firms, to make some real ass money. And well, if you're not subscribed to the channel, just subscribe and hit the like button, right? And enjoy the content. First things first, I want to share you guys this trade I took this morning on the GBP. So 5 AM model. If you don't know what I'm talking about, 5 AM model, I have other videos explaining the 5 AM model here. But basically you go to the 4 hour, okay, and in the 4 hour you draw your high and the low of the 5 AM New York time. Obviously you mark a key level as well. So here we got a key level, here we got a 5 AM high and 5 AM low, okay, and then you drop to the 15-minute time frame. And the 15-minute time frame, you look for the 15-minute CRT low, and the high is not that important, you know, the opposing end is not important, but this candle, like, take the liquidity, take the 5 AM candle, and this is our 15-minute CRT, right? And after we have the 15-minute CRT, you can put it here if you want it as well, but no big difference. You have this 15-minute range, you wait for the manipulation of this range, right? And you drop to 1 minute and you wait the manipulation. So 15-minute began right here, okay? So you have this scenario that we have a stop right here, right? Stop, let me see. Yeah, we have a stop because I took one stop today, and the stop is right here, okay? We have an IFG, and the entry models, I already have a video talking about entry models, okay, and you can watch it. But basically this enter is kind of precipitated, so yeah, it's a valid stop, but you can avoid it if you're not that anxious. It's me, I'm a little bit. So I took this first trade here and this IFG here, and I got stopped out. Can use this another one, like here you got 15-minute range right here, like, let me see, here you got this range, right? So you have this range here, and now you have the turtle soup, right? So now is the correct and valid enter, and you can approach this enter two ways, right? One, it's my way, and I just simply long here once the price breaking this IFG, or you can wait the sis right here and wait for the price to retest you have an FVG right here, have a FVG right here, or you can wait for the IFVG right below. So the price did test fair value gap and inverse fair value gap right here, and then you took your retest trade, whatever please you most, and target for this is the percent of that our range. 5 AM candle range is the 50% of is our target, right? And said that, you just let the trade run, you know. And this second trade I took right here, and there's a solid 6.5 or trade, so -1 right here, I guess 5.5, right? And it's basically that every single day, guys. Pretty simple. You can use it as any program you want and do it with your own accounts as well, right? And I took the same trade on euro, you know. The euro, we have a little bit different situation on euro, okay, but we don't have key level, right? But this model itself, like, you can actually use this model without the key levels. Of course, the key levels are additional confirmance to your trade, so it's better with a key level, right? But you can use it without the key level, right? Not mandatory. Of course, key levels are important, yes, really important, okay? But in this model, like, you get a full 4 hour range, so it's a big range right here, okay? You can use without a key level specific, right? You also have a key level right here, like you have this internal, okay? Not talk about it, but you do have, like, you don't have like lows or high key level. Like in your key level is right here in this guy, okay? So a little bit far, but you can also work with SMTs, and if you see the GBP SMT today, this valid this trade, okay? So after that, go to 15 minutes, you have the same thing here, you got your minute, right? This guy here, okay, and then you go to 1 minute, and I took one stop here as well in this where I get this, oh man, yeah, the fair value gap right here. Yeah, I remember I entered this fair value gap, and price did me right here, right? And I put my stop loss right below here, and my target is the 50% right here, okay? So 5.8 trade, but happens that I got stopped out. And the second entry that I took is this entry here, this IFG, which we have the cyst right here, okay? So firms are entry, and you have the IFG, and you have a fair value gap entry as well. So you can choose, okay, whatever entry you want. If you want to take this trade in the retest of the IFG, that I recommend you guys, as you increase your R2R trade, you got this 3.6, okay? And actually I took right here when we break this inverse fair value value gap, so I get a 2R trade. But anyway, it's good. I can complain. So I close my day with a 6R, so it's pretty good. But the fact is, you have a lot of entry models. Okay, you have this 15-minute CRT, then you total super, inverse fair value gap, SIS. You can retest it. You can take it right here. And in this case, I might take profit in the CRT right here, because right here is going to be a trash return like 1.3, and I look at it and see, oh, the price is probably gonna come here because it's having a lot of liquidity here, and happens that the price did pay the full TP, full 4-hour TP, right? And the GBP, the same thing. You got the full 4-hour TP right here, right? Price related. So yeah, you can close the position, right? But 11. So it's pretty good, right, guys? And just recapping the today trades, because I think it's valid for you guys are having doubts on this content, and I think it's pretty easy. Just mark the 5 a.m. high and low, right? And wait for the purge. Once the purge, go to minute, mark your CRT, like a minute CRT, and you want to see something like this, okay? This classic CRT drowning right here, okay? So you want to see this, because this is all about. So you want to see the CRT drowning right here. So purge the low here with the 4-hour, and then you go to 1 minute and get your entry model, whatever you want, okay? So it's basically that, guys. It's easy, it's simple, and it repeats almost every day, okay? If the market don't do this, if they'll just gonna break out and continue to go lower, you don't do nothing. It's simple, okay? But if the market presents the opportunity, you took it. Simple as that, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you are subscribed in this channel. If you're not, just subscribe, okay? And see you guys around.